We live in a world of screens where our minds are bombarded with the constant and humongous inflow of information through social media that most of us unknowingly follow. So how do we harness the power of social media to enrich our lives? Welcome to MindHook, and let's get started. In this video, we are going to brainstorm on how to use social media in a way that we can reap the best possible benefits from it to make our lives better. In today's digital world, we must train our minds to use social media for our and for our society's benefit, rather than being a slave of it, only to follow what the rich people want us to follow. Today, we are going to discuss 5 practical and effective ways that will educate you on how to effectively use social media to uplift your life. Number 1. Create meaningful connections. Company matters. In a world of endless connections, it's time to prioritize quality over quantity. Instead of aimlessly scrolling through feeds, engage in meaningful interactions that will strengthen your relationships with the people that matter. A simple way is through commenting your opinions on the posts of people you look up to. This can initiate a snowball effect that will open up the space for different thoughts and opinions that you can consider, and it can make you more knowledgeable. It's not about the number of friends, but the depth of connections that truly matter. Number 2, curate your digital diet. It's time to curate your digital diet and practice mindful consumption. By carefully selecting the content we consume, we can create a positive and uplifting online experience. Spend some time and unfollow all accounts that have not positively contributed to your life in the past 3 months. Chances are they are not going to contribute anything in the future as well. Follow accounts that inspire, motivate, and educate you. Fill your feed with uplifting messages, beautiful art, and insightful perspectives. As Maya Angelou once said, "You are the sum total of everything you've ever seen, heard, eaten, smelled, been told, forgot. It's all there. Everything influences each of us. Remember, you are what you consume, both online and offline." Number 3, practice social media detox. We all know that to get the best out of anything, our minds need to be balanced, refreshed, and at peace. As Albert Einstein once said, "Great ideas often come in minds that are contented and connected with the inside spirit." So why not apply the same principle to social media? Take charge of your time and set boundaries in the digital realm. Designate specific periods for social media use and create device-free zones. This will allow you to focus on self-reflection, pursue hobbies, and nurture real-world connections. Ultimately, a mind at peace will be able to envision the productive ways to harness the power of social media. Number 4, let your true self shine. Break free from the social pressures of perfection and embrace your authentic self. Social media is just a highlight reel, and it doesn't define your worth. Share genuine moments, build real connections, and let your true self shine. Authenticity is the key that unlocks true connection. Try it, and you will be amazed on how much people love to experience an authentic version of humans these days. Number 5, update with the daily new world. Technology is changing at a way faster speed than you can ever imagine. The advent of artificial intelligence has started to change the world daily. If you want to live an economically healthy life, you must learn how to control this technology, or else it is going to control your life. But the good news is that everything you need to be skilled is present today, for almost absolutely free of cost, and you are looking at it right now. All you need to do is take action. So, there you have it. 5 practical, easy, but life-changing social media habits that can add quality and purpose to your life. Thank you for joining us on this, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our channel.